In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Wix. Whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or expanding your product line, this guide will simplify the entire process and set you up for success. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website. Open your browser and enter wix.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to continue. After signing in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once in your dashboard, you'll notice a Select Site button. This is where you'll choose which of your existing websites you want to work with. If you're managing multiple websites, make sure to select the correct one. Now that you have your site, it's time to enter the Store Management section. Look for an option labeled Catalog and click on it. This will direct you to where you can manage all inventory aspects of your online store. Once inside the catalog, find and click on Products. This is your portal to viewing, managing, and adding new products to your store. At the top right corner of the Products page, you should see a button labeled New Product. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select a product type. You have options such as physical products, digital goods, and more, depending on what you wish to sell. Then, move on to enter a title for your product. Choose something that is both descriptive and eye-catching. It's often the first thing a prospective customer notices. Following the title, there will be a space to enter the name. This can be a brand name or just the product's name, depending on your setup. Next is the product description. Here, you want to provide as much detail as possible about the product. Explain what it is, its features, and how it benefits the customer. A well-written description goes a long way toward convincing people to make a purchase. Now, you'll want to set the price of the product. Depending on your strategy, factor in things like cost price, competitive pricing, and perceived value. Once that's done, look for the option to Add Options. This is crucial for any product that comes in multiple variants, like size or color. This section allows you to customize variant options such as colors, sizes, or any other choices that are pertinent to your product. Almost there. After configuring the variants, locate the Add button to finalize and save your product. And just like that, your product is live on your Wix store, ready to be marketed to your target audience. That wraps up today's guide on adding products in Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tips. Happy selling!